Hello, everybody out there in the land of make-believe. I am the holier-than-hell Reverend Bark Me Laughing Wolf, self-proclaimed Yeti American and diabolical minion of good. And welcome to the Wolf Wizard Arts channel. What? Used to be called Wolf Wizard Gifts. It's been on for 2 years. Yeah, forget all that. Forget all that. Forget what you used to know. This is a reboot. I'm rebooting the channel. I've redone my entire studio. I've rethought my agenda. And I have a bunch of new videos planned just for y'all out there. Hi, y'all out there. I have a couple of subscribers that hanging on from back when I was making videos. Started about 2 years ago. I'll tell you the backstory. So about 2 years ago, lost my job. It gave me a little cash. I thought, you know what? I'll take this opportunity to try to go from being a civilian to a full-time working artist. I've been doing art all my life. I was very excited about that, overly excited. I thought, yeah, I'm going to put out a YouTube channel. I'm going to make videos and let everybody know how I progress. Because I know there's a lot of other artists out there who are like, oh, I'd like to do art full time, but I just don't know what it all involves. Let me tell you, it involves a lot. Because I had planned on just making videos, but what I found out was I was busy learning how to be a full-time artist. There was so much that I didn't know. So last 2 years, that's what I've been doing. Instead of making videos, I've been learning about how to build websites, online marketing, how to use social media, SEO, that's search engine optimization, all kinds of stuff. There's all kinds of stuff that I needed to know. And now here, 2 years later, I kind of know it. I've got more time, so I can make some videos, and I'm rebooting my whole thing. When I started out, I was making jewelry. I wanted to get into doing a graphic design. I like to make graphic art, but I wasn't ready yet. I knew there was a lot of things that I needed to know. I did know how to sell jewelry. I had sold a lot of it, so I started doing that, selling jewelry on Etsy. That fell apart quick. I'm going to make a video about that if you're interested. So after about a year of doing jewelry, I switched over to graphic arts. I built a website to showcase my graphic artwork and printed up products using the POD system. It's a print on demand. You just send your graphics off, you get an order, and another company prints those graphics onto a product, sends it out to your customers. So that actually was working out really well until COVID hit. And I know a lot of people stayed in business after COVID hit, but I'm like, I sell novelty items. None of it's really essential. I didn't want couriers out there carrying around my boxes of goofy stuff and potentially getting some sort of a deadly virus. But that's just the kind of guy I am. So I shut that down for a while. Since then, I've just been doing research and I've been setting up for this reboot. So here it is. Stay tuned. I got a bunch of plans for videos coming out. On Tuesdays, I'm going to get out what I'm calling Show and Tell Tuesday videos. I want to make that a thing. If you're an artist, hashtag Show and Tell Tuesday. So every Tuesday, make a little video about something that you think is cool, a tool, a toy, some art you made, and then use the hashtag Show and Tell Tuesday, and then I'm going to go online, and when I see cool stuff, I'm going to share it on my Facebook page, Instagram, and maybe I'll compile a video if I figure out how to do it for here on the YouTube. But check out all that stuff down there, all the links and the thing, and clicking the button and the subscription and all that, like and subscribe. I do have I think I got 23 subscribers out there from when I started the channel. So hey, folks, thanks. Appreciate that. Appreciate you subscribing. Apparently it helps out the getting these videos seen. This video, I know this isn't a great video. I got stuff coming though. I got some good stuff coming. So the videos I got coming out are going to be by artists for artists, and I plan on interviewing other artists about their inspiration. I'd like to check out studios and tools they like to use and all that kind of thing. In fact, if you're an artist in the greater greater Seattle land area or know someone who is, go down, check out my Facebook. I'm pointing at links. There's links. Go down, click in the links in the description. Check out my Facebook page. Hit me up in my private messages, and I'm gonna be scheduling studio tours. When I want to talk to other artists, I want to see how they do their work, what kind of tools they use, what inspires them, and then the nuts and bolts. How they set their prices, what platforms they sell on, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to be scheduling stuff. Of course, it's because of the pandemic. I'm not going into people's homes right now, but I'm hoping that once everybody gets their shots and everything and face masks and all the proper protocol, I'm going to start scheduling some of these video shoots starting February. I would like to gather together a community of local artists and collaborate on video projects, art projects, guerrilla art projects, and all kinds of stuff. So, if you're interested in that, Facebook, PMs, otherwise, check out Instagram, like me on the YouTube and the subscribing and the stuff. It don't cost you nothing to like and subscribe, and I'm going to get out better gooder videos out. I got new equipment. I got a good sound thing and a good camera thing, and I got them all set up. I'm all set up to go. Now, back before when I started this channel, I was snack. Now, good to go. So stay tuned for my new videos. Thanks for those of you who watched my old videos, and I got some good stuff coming. So I'm going to leave you off with something that an artist once told me that he said another artist told him, so I don't know who said it, but he said that art is 10% vision and 90% remembering what your particular vision is. I always thought that was very profound and true. Okay, that's it. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and always remember, never forget your vision. Godspeed, Earthlings.